How to change the color of an object in CapCut. So the first way to do it is to import your video in the timeline. Click on your video, and then you want to click on Adjust tab from the right side here. Now switch to HSL tab. Now we want to select the color that you want to change. So I'm going to use the eyedropper here. Click on the eyedropper and then pick the car color by clicking on it. And then you can simply adjust the hue, saturation, and brightness settings. So for example, you can turn it to a reddish car or orange like that. And if this method doesn't get you the color that you want, you can simply re-import your video to the timeline. And the second method is to click on your video and then go back to the Adjust tab. Now click on Basic and scroll all the way down until you find the saturation slider, and then turn it all the way down. Next, you will need to add a text to your timeline. So you can select the default text, bring it here, and then you want to type dash in the default text like that. Then you will need to set your font size to 3000, something big. Now select your text by clicking on it and drop down on the color, and here where you're going to choose your favorite or the color desired to be changed. So for example, red. Now with your text selected, you want to click on the 3 horizontal lines here and then click on Export Still Frames and then give it a name and export it. Now once you've done that, you can delete the text layer that we've added, and then you want to go back to the media and import the text layer that we've created if it's not already in your media tab, and then you will need to drag it back to your timeline. Now with your color selected, you want to go to Basic Video tab and then Basic, and scroll down and make sure Blend is enabled and expand the category, and then you want to set the blending mode to Overlay. Now on your timeline, you will need to drag your original video again on the top like this. Now with your first clip selected, you want to go to Video tab and then switch to Remove BG and then check Chroma key. And then with the eyedropper, you want to select the color that you want to remove. So for example, the car color. And you will also need to adjust the intensity so that it covers only the colors wanted. And if you adjusted the intensity and the color is bleeding into other parts, here's how to fix that. You want to drag back your original video on the top of this one again. Select your video and then click on Video tab and Mask, and then simply click on Add Mask and move this mask to the areas that are covered in red, and you don't want them to be in red or whatever color you chose. Except the car. Cover everything except the car. You can also use this paid advanced feature, which is the brush. Select the brush here and then just draw over the car and invert the mask like this. Once you cover everything, wait for it to finish processing. Now to invert the mask, you want to click on this button here, and this should invert the mask and give back the color of the background. And if there is more color bleeding into other parts, you can basically adjust your brush size and the feather value so that you can get smoother results. And once you're happy with the result, you can proceed. And if your object is moving, you can simply use the tracker to track your object and apply the mask to across frames or different parts of the video. And now if you play, you should have the object colored in a different color, and you can simply merge those timeline videos if you want to. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful. I'll see you in the next one.